Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. Asian stock markets are mostly higher on Friday, shrugging off the weak cues overnight from Wall Street. The Shanghai Stock Exchange is trading at multi-year highs, while the Australian and Japanese markets are in negative territory. The Australian stock market opened marginally lower, tracking the weak cues overnight from Wall Street as well as lower iron ore prices. In late morning trades, the benchmark ASX 200 index is down 18.60 points, or 0.31%. The Japanese market is lower as the negative cues overnight from Wall Street dampened investor sentiment and a stronger yen dragged down exporter stocks. In late morning trades, the benchmark Nikkei 225 index is down 1.10%. US crude oil surged for sixth straight session on Thursday, with investors mulling over the slowdown in US production, even as the dollar trended lower against some major currencies. Crude oil futures for May delivery, the most actively traded contract, gained $0.32 or 0.6% to settle at $56.71 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange Thursday. This is the highest settlement for the year. In the currency market, the Australian dollar touched a three-week high of $0.7823 against the US dollar following with the release of strong local jobs data on Thursday. In early trades Friday, the local unit was trading at $0.7803, up from Thursday's close of $0.7737. Today's economic data calendar is fairly short and relatively quiet. US March Consumer Price Index 12:30 GMT. Consumer prices are expected to have picked up some steam in March, rising by 0.3% after a 0.2% rise in February. The pick-up is due to higher petrol prices, as CPI core is expected to only have risen by 0.1%. This would leave the year-over-year CPI change to around zero and the CPI core to 1.7%. The Federal Reserve's next meeting will be on April 28 to 29, and the monthly employment report will be published on May 8. The key issue is whether the Fed has the courage to signal a June rate hike, or will it wait to see how Greece's third bailout plays out. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.